Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Look at this eye look. It's so pretty and I'm telling you, it is so easy. It looks complicated but it's not. So let's start this eye look, and for this look I'm going to use a large blending brush and an eye stencil. If you don't have eye stencil, you can always use an eye tape, Dr. tape to mark it for your eyelid. I am using this eye stencil just as a reference, and I started with a pink eyeshadow and I'm blending it in the outer corner and bringing it slowly towards the center. Once I've blended in the outer corner, I'm blending it all over the lid, and I am making sure the pink is all over the lid. It looks really beautiful. I love this color, and I have to blend till I can see the creases soften. So the trick is to keep on blending till the crease line is diffused, so you don't see any harsh line and it looks like diffused. I really love this palette. It has got all the beautiful bright colors and I'm trying it for the first time. I bought it from Mehk in Australia, and I'm going to take the black shade in the palette and I am again blending it in the outer corner using the stencil as a reference. You can use an eye tape, as I said. So once you have blended in the outer corner, take the same large blending brush and diffuse the black color towards the center. This is to ensure that pink and black blends together beautifully. Nothing else, then we are just going with the pink glitter and packing it all over the lid. You can see already this look is looking so pretty, and you can never imagine it was so easy. Once packing the glitter with the finger, I'm going to take a flat brush, small flat brush, and I'm going to take a white matte shade from the palette. I always look for the white shade in the palette whenever I'm buying it. If a palette is missing a white shade, I feel like it's missing an important color, because white shade I use it for my inner corner and brow bone area. This really helps to brighten up the eye look. And then I'm going in with the pink shadow in my lower lash and blending it with the same flat brush. You can use as many colors you want, but I wanted to keep it simple, so I just went in with pink shadow. After this, I am going to use a nude eye pencil in my waterline, which is Rimmel London White Creamy. You can even use white pencil, but I prefer nude color because it gives a bit natural and closer to eye look, and also it pops your eye and make it look brighter. Then I'm going in with Maybelline Sky High Mascara. It's my favorite mascara. I really love it. And I'm applying eyelashes with this eyelash applicator. This is my final look. Hope you love this video. If you do love my video, then do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.